Hello, welcome back to my channel Sinny's Primary Math. We come across a variety of polygon shapes in our daily life. Most of the common shapes that you see every day are polygons. In this video, we are going to learn about the angle sum property of quadrilateral and polygons in general. Also, we shall see the application of these concepts in the basic engineering design. Those who are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my future videos. Also, watch my previous videos on polygons. You can find the link in the description box below. You have learned the properties of triangles. We know the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Let us consider a quadrilateral ABCD. Draw a diagonal AC. Now the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Sum of the interior angles in triangle ADC equals 180 degrees. Sum of the interior angles in triangle ABC equals 180 degrees. Sum of the interior angles of quadrilateral ABCD equals sum of the measures of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D equals sum of the interior angles of both triangle ADC and triangle ABC equals 180 degrees plus 180 degrees equals 360 degrees. We can conclude that the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Similarly, we can find the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. Pentagon is divided into three triangles. Hence, it is 180 plus 180 plus 180. The sum of all the interior angles of a polygon is given by the formula 180 into n minus 2 in degrees, where n is the number of sides. The interior angles of any polygon always add up to a constant value which depends only on the number of sides. See some examples tabulated. Application. Do you know how these geometry facts are applied in our real life? Here is an example. You often see polygon shapes used to make bridges and building roofs. In tower cranes and booms, triangles and squares are seen in their frames. Now let us try to understand how the geometric concepts are used in the basic engineering design. Activity. Here are some polygon shapes: triangle, square and pentagon. I am going to apply some force on top of these shapes. For demonstration, I am using a ruler to apply force on the shapes. What will happen? Observe the shapes before and after applying force. The shapes tend to deform. The square deformed into a rhombus. Pentagon shape deform. Its orientation change. Here the triangle maintains its shape, but the other shapes deform. Why do they deform? Because their interior angles change without changing any of the lengths of the sides. You may ask why. I shall explain it. For example, In quadrilaterals, the sum of the interior angles equal 360 degrees, but their angles can change while its shape changes. However, the shape remain close because the sum of the interior angles is the same in the deformed condition also. You may wonder what makes triangles so strong. Do you remember the relationship of side to internal angles of a triangle? Yes, the angle between two sides of the triangle is based on the length of the opposite side of the triangle. It means the angle between any two sides is fixed, then the triangle cannot deform without changing the side lengths. Other shapes do not have this property. So, what can we do to the shapes, the squares, pentagons and hexagons etc. to make them strong? Any guess? Yes, these polygon shapes can be reduced to triangles. Remember, that's how we got the sum of the interior angles of quadrilateral and other polygons. Breaking the polygon shapes down into triangles make them strong. Isn't it interesting? That's why the truss bridges can take the weight of materials and the traffic moving across it safely. Triangles are important shapes when it comes to engineering, a favorite among architects. From bridges to buildings, towers and even airplanes. Some of the world's most famous architectural marvels like the Eiffel Tower. Triangles make it beautiful and strong. Interestingly, the smallest polygon is the strongest polygon. Yes, the triangle. Hope you got a clear understanding of the angle sum property of polygons and its application in the engineering field. I know you are interested to learn more about geometry to make your concepts clear. Sure, I will be back with another video on polygons. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next time. Till then, bye.